Alright guys, so excuse the mess, but I just wanted to show you guys what it is that I was doing, and I'm in cooking mode right now. Right here I have my shake. I have 1 banana, 5 small sun-dried dates, some almond milk, and some jasmine tea, and I'm gonna put 2 scoops of protein in there and blend that up. Then in the air fryer I have some tofu, some super firm tofu. It's cooking up. My daughter seasoned it up. It looks good. It tastes good. Right here, we got some sweet potatoes. In this pot, we have a mixture of quinoa and brown rice that's cooking. I'm gonna lower the fire in a second and cover it up so it can finish cooking. I already cut up some honeydew and put it in the fridge for the kids to eat as a snack. And then right here we have some pasta and vegetables that the kids are also going to enjoy, so they have options of what it is that they want to do. So yeah, just getting ready for work right now. Wanted to show you guys my meal prep. Talk to you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.